Hello everyone, we are Kunshan Dongzhimei Electronics Company. Today, we introduce a magical product. It is a kind of artistic and artistic granular tape with a mission, which can directly reduce the company's use cost by half. The main medical rate of the product is a kind of the company's silicone rubber. The particles formed by pressing the model are very round and full. One side is coated with rubber adhesive, and the back is covered with a layer of release paper. The thickness is about 0 to 62 minutes, and the overall weight is about half kilo. It mainly covers the surface of the roller and is used for printing, label and tape protection. It plays a role of anti-slip and anti-slip king in the process of filling, paper, fall, and talent transmission. After 10 years of technical acclimation, the technology of our brand artistic granular tape has been continuously reformed. The quality has reached the international leading levels. Let's take a look at the product's details. Interested friends can contact us at WhatsApp 18626181779. Okay.